Bro, we should not be doing this.
Why not?
Cause she's gonna empty out our bank account.
Wait, what am I doing? What? How?
You know what's going on?
No. You never tell me what's going on.
Yeah, we just invite her and
Yeah.
so basically we're gonna blindfold you.
Oh my. And do what? And do what? What am I supposed to do?
And we are going to, not we, you, basically whatever you touch, it's yours. Like, you can keep it.
No!
Not yet.
Oh,
You're
not
not blindfolded yet. What are you talking about? Ew.
Yeah.
So whatever you touch, you can have it. We're probably gonna be broke after this. So,
Wait, I have a question.
what?
So does that mean like if I'm blindfolded, you said I can whatever I touch I get to keep?
Yeah.
So if I touch the camera, I get to keep all of your YouTube channel? All 14 million subscribers?
We're not at 14 million yet, guys. Subscribe right now. Subscribe. 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. No, we're 13 mil still.
I thought you told me it was 14. Okay.
And make sure you guys like it up right now. Let's try to get 500 million likes. Like it up right now.
Like
3,
it up.
2, 1. With the blindfold on. Yeah, I got it. Ready?
Yeah,
Are
I'm
you-
scared.
Why are you scared? I wish I was blindfolded.
Yes, I can get whatever I want.
Yep.
Right.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Can you see?
Ow.
Okay, yeah, it's a little tight. I know.
Yeah.
What if she touches the house? Like, we gotta buy her the house. Like, we gotta buy her cars. Like, can you see?
No, but I remember something that I wanted from over here.
No, it gotta have a price tag on it.
Yeah,
No,
it
we already
does.
own that. It has to be stuff that are not owned.
She's touching the Lambo. It's already
No,
owned.
you can't have that. It's already bought.
It's mine now.
Alright, let's go.
I want a beso.
Just kidding. Alright, let's
Okay.
go.
Where's the car at? Can you at least lead me to the car, please, baby?
Yeah, we will.
Baby.
Should we leave her?
Baby. Baby, are you gonna lead me to the car? Baby. Baby. Baby, can I take this off now?
No, not yet.
Oh, it's hurting my head.
No, you have to keep it on still.
Okay, fine. But does this mean I get to decide where I want to go?
Yeah, I guess.
I want to go to. Ooh, can we go to a dealership?
What kind of dealership?
A Lamborghini dealership.
Lamborghini dealership? We're not going to
Yeah.
Lamborghini
No, we
dealership,
have
see?
to go. I'm wearing the blindfold.
No.
I'm the one who's wearing the blindfold.
This is your idea. I told you whatever she touches, she gets.
You're the one
This
that
is
made
not
up
my
the name.
idea, bro. This is not my idea.
Yeah, it is your idea.
That is the whole idea. It's your idea. No, see, we're gonna go broke. Okay, so right now we're at the mall. So, I guess whatever you touch in the mall, you get.
Wait, we're in the mall?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome, great. So I can start now?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can start.
Can you give me like a hint? Am I like in an entrance
We're
or
kind of like in an entrance.
in a
right?
store?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Oh my gosh. Okay. There's a glass. Thank God there's a glass there. Look.
I know.
What is this?
Take off your blindfold.
I got a panda?
No, these watches
Oh,
are
that's not even a panda, it's a polar bear.
like. These watches are like 20,000.
I don't want the watches. I don't care about the watches. I want the polar bear.
It's coming out of our bank account. So where's she going?
Gucci.
No, no way.
Oh yeah, she is.
Oh, let me get her real quick. Yeah, it's okay, baby. That's the bathroom. That's the bathroom. Here, wrong way, wrong way.
Are you
Come
sure
on.
this is the bathroom?
Yeah, you don't want to go in the bathroom. Wrong way.
Oh, okay. Okay, wait. Can you lead me which way then?
Yeah, come on. Watch your step. Watch your step.
Why? What's going on? What's going on?
Watch your step. It's like an escalator.
Baby, what is going on?
It's like an escalator. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, step.
Oh my god, what is this?
You're safe. You're safe.
Escalator?
Yeah.
Wait, how do I know if I'm supposed to step down?
I'll let you know. I'll let you know.
Oh my gosh.
Be careful, okay?
wait, no!
No, you're not stepping down yet. Step right now. Step right now.
Oh,
You got it.
that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, okay, that wasn't that bad.
Alright, you're at the electronics store.
The electronics store?
Yeah.
Okay, so I can walk now?
Yeah, go ahead. You can touch whatever you want.
Oh.
Get close, get close.
I don't know what you. Whoa. Wait.
Did you touch it?
Yeah, she did.
What is
That's
it?
just an empty cardboard box. No, it's a TV.
It feels heavy.
It's a TV. You want a TV, right? Get
It's a TV? What kind of TV?
Oh boy. Okay, that's pick number one.
We'll put it to the side for you.
Okay, what else?
What else do you want to touch? That's nothing.
There's nothing?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
not-
it's closer. What about over here, over here, over here? Can I go this way or no? Whoa.
Yeah, you can go that way.
I'm so scared.
What else are you getting?
Oh. What's this?
Press it. Press it. Oh, she touched the blender, Marcus.
This is a blender? No way, this is a radio.
Oh, they're out of that one. Look, we
Is
got
it?
lucky. Yo, we got lucky. What?
It's a radio.
Yeah, it's not a radio. Well,
Why
what else
is
do you
it-
want to get? Yeah, it's a radio, sure.
I wanna go. What is this? Is this a?
Take your blindfold off. Take it off.
Oh.
Take your blindfold off. You think you need a fridge? Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa.
Pick it
Yeah,
up,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
We'll put it to the side. We'll put it on the side for you. So TV, fridge. Wait, $2,400?
No, it's this one.
$1,100.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we got that. We got that. You sure, Marcus? Lucas, come here. Oh no, maybe you. Not you.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. So you can stay right here, okay?
Okay. Can I put my blindfold on?
Little one. Yeah, you can put your blindfold on over there. Bro, 1,100. TV was $500. $1,600. You really think? Bro, you really think she needs a fridge? Like, I mean, look
she
at her.
touched
Look,
it.
she looks like she doesn't want. She touched it, so. What's she doing?
Fridge.
What else do you want in the store?
I want a fridge because I need to hold my quesadillas. So
This
I get
way.
a fridge and
Yep,
a TV?
yep.
Awesome. Great. Whoa, whoa. I'm getting dizzy. All right.
Yeah. Come on.
Whoa. What if I run?
I wouldn't do that.
Oh.
Guys.
Is this a washing machine
Yeah.
or a dryer? Or I
It's
don't know.
more like I think it's a washing and dryer. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Oh.
You good?
Ow. My shoes untied.
You sure? You need help? You want us to tie your shoe?
It's okay. I'm just gonna crawl instead.
Okay.
Whoa. What is this?
Okay. What is that?
What is this?
I think it's. I don't know. I guess we'll just buy it.
What is this? Can you...
Wait, we'll just buy it.
Can I take off my blindfold? Can I see what it is?
Take it off?
Yeah.
No, not yet.
Ow! Who's beside me? Be someone. Ew, is this working?
You know what else you want to get? Or you think you're done with the store?
I want to keep looking for more.
Okay.
I don't know where else to go.
Yeah, keep going straight.
I'm scared.
No, be careful. Oh shit, her head. You okay?
Ow.
You can take your blindfold off. I think this is getting a little too dangerous, Morgan.
Ow.
You okay?
Ow.
I think you can take your blindfold off. You okay?
Ow.
I think she's a little hurt, Morgan.
Oh, are you recording this? You're not
Yeah.
recording this, right?
No, we're not recording it.
Can you check my head? Am I,
Yeah.
am I
You okay?
bleeding?
You okay? You're not bleeding. You're good. You hit your head. I guess we have to buy all this. I don't know.
Oh, why not get that? Okay.
Alright, let's hurry up before we go broke. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah, sure.
You sure?
Yeah, that hurt. Okay.
We can get out of here.
I'm okay. I'm okay. I get that in return.
Well, that has no price on it. Loser. What? Wait, what did you say?
Maybe he got me loose.
Come here, baby.
Thank you.
Ew.
Why is she blindfolded?
I don't know. Long story.
You guys have a great day.
Thank
And
you.
thank you for shopping at Best Buy.
I want to go to the Lamborghini dealership, please.
No, we're not going.
Well, at least just to look. Well, I mean, I can't look, but at least just to touch.
We're not going. And we're here. We're here at the dealership.
Oh, which one though?
You asked for the Lamborghini one, right?
Are you sure this is the Lamborghini though?
Yeah, we're sure. Right? Yeah, we're sure.
Okay. I don't know if it actually is, but.
Can you see? Can you see?
No, I can't see. I don't. Let's do something.
How many fingers am I holding up?
3.
No, 2. Bro, I swear, if she actually picks out the most expensive car here, I'm gonna be mad. I guess you could touch everything you want. Alright,
Okay.
just walk around then. I'm gonna be scared, like, if she actually touches, like. Let us know if you need help, okay?
Restart.
Yeah. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright, go.
Wait, hold on.
Let me know if you need help, okay?
Okay, what if, can you tell me if like, I'm about to run into something?
Yeah, keep going straight.
I can choose any car I
Yeah,
want?
okay, go right, go right. Go right. Okay, now keep going straight. Go right more, right. You right.
I'm scared if I crash into something.
Go right. Yeah, that's good. Keep going straight. Yep, everything's fine. Yeah, we got you under control, don't worry. Keep going straight.
This way?
Yeah.
What's this?
Yeah, that's definitely not a car.
Ew. Okay, whoa.
You okay?
Oh, wait, what I lost?
Alright, be careful.
Wait, I lost my balance.
It's getting dangerous out here, Marcus.
No. Oh, $540,000. No.
I guess when you run into something, you get it, right, Maurice? Yeah.
What is she doing? I don't know.
Alright, let's get out of here.
No, not that way.
Yeah, that's good. That's a good way. Oh, I swear.
I wanna go like this way more, but
Okay, you need help?
it's like I don't want to help. I want to actually like get something.
Yeah,
that
go
I
straight.
want.
Go straight.
Yeah, just be careful what you pick, okay? Because it's gonna be pretty crazy.
Pretty expensive.
But how do I know which way I'm heading? Like,
Left.
Whoa.
Go to your
Go left, go left. Lift up your right arm a little.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Go right, brother.
what happened?
That was close.
What happened?
Go back. Do that. Turn around. Don't touch it. Ooh.
Whoa, oh my god. Whoa, be careful.
Go straight. Go straight,
Okay.
everyone.
Ow. What is this?
Oh yeah, you can't buy that.
What is it?
I think that's just the desk, I think.
This is amazing.
How did she know that was me? Leave her by herself. Yeah.
Wait, what? Maybe you can't leave me by myself. I'm blindfolded. What? I'm getting dizzy.
You okay?
I'm just scared to take like big steps. Like I don't know where I'm going, and what if I'm scared what to choose out? Like we're at a Lamborghini dealership. Come on now.
You need help with anything?
No, I don't. Oh, whoa. Is this another table? I can't get this one, right? It's a table.
Alright, just take your blindfold off.
Take your blindfold off.
Oh. No way. Am I actually gonna get this?
I mean, you touched it, right?
Get the
Morgan?
keys.
Get the keys.
No.
Get the key.
What?
There. No way.
Yeah, just get the keys. That's part of the game. Whatever you touch, you get.
But I thought that was a table.
No, come on. That's like a lot of money.
Are you sure? Like how? Like no, this is really expensive. No.
Well, she's saying it's really expensive, Marcus.
Yeah.
Hey.
No, I cannot accept that. No.
I mean, it's part of the game, though. You agreed to the game, so
Yeah,
me
but-
and Marcus have to get it for you now.
Baby, I don't want.
Oh my
This is too
goodness.
much.
Yo, Marcus, you okay?
Bro, that's like. Bro, you see how much that is?
No.
$520,000. Like, nah. Put the camera down. Just get the keys. Let's go. Right, here you go.
No way.
It's your Lamborghini now.
No way.
Yeah. You know how to open the door?
No, I don't know how to do that.
Yeah,
Where's
you
the
do.
handle?
You touched the blindfold, so it's yours now.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Open
wow.
it. Open it.
Oh,
Have you? Wait, what?
what happened?
Nothing happened.
Nothing. Get in the car.
Did it break?
Did it break?
No, of course not. It didn't break that. No.
Oh my gosh, wow. How do I start it?
Hey,
Okay.
close the door.
No, close the door first.
You know how?
Oh, oh.
Oh, you got it.
There you go.
How
Now,
am I going to score
now
this?
put your foot in the brake.
And then press the start button.
Push your foot on the brake.
Where's, I'm pushing my foot, but where's
Yeah.
the start? Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
No.
Turn it off. Turn it off.
Yeah, turn it.
No way.
Did you break it? Did you turn it
Ow,
on?
I got a toe cramp though.
Is it off?
Yeah.
Is it on?
It's yours now, yeah.
No, I can't accept this. No, how do I get out?
I guess you're just stuck in there now.
Yeah.
Wait, how do I get out?
It's yours now. You touched the blindfolded, so bye.
Wait, what? Baby, really? No, I can't accept this. No. Excuse me.
You don't want to accept it? Why? You touched it.
No, I can't. This is an expensive car. How do I open
How much is the place again? 500K? No,
520.
520, something like that. 520,000. Nah, that's crazy. That's impossible. I'm still trying to figure out how to get out. Yeah, I'll just open it.
Just open it for her, please.
That's too much money.
You sure you don't want it?
No. No, I don't want this, baby. That's too much money. Here, you don't give it, please.
Alright, I'll take it then.
No, no, thank you. That's just too much. Baby, how did I get in here?
How'd you get in there? What is you doing, Morgan? Yo, what?
Where am
Here, come on. You need
I at?
help?
What is this? Why is it so
Stand up.
squishy?
Alright, jump into my arms. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay.
What was that?
Huh?
What is that?
I don't know why you were there.
How did I get in? How did I get in there?
Alright, so we're in another store right now.
Oh, ow. Okay.
This is kind of like the toy section.
Toy section.
I got a big cart because I know it's gonna be a lot. So okay, so there's like 50 aisles. Just let us know
Okay.
if you want to stop at an aisle.
All right.
Okay. Oh, she touched this. Oh, okay.
I don't
Yo.
know what this is, but where's the cart?
Yo, it's slime.
No way.
Yeah, colored slime.
Awesome.
Just sat in the cart. Passing one aisle.
Okay. Can I just touch random stuff? Ow.
What is that? Oh, okay.
I want all of these.
Okay.
I don't really know what they are, but I want all of these.
Okay. Animals. Those are different kind of animals.
I want more animals because I like animals.
Oh, you missed that. You missing the cart. You missing the cart.
I want more animals.
Okay. Okay.
next aisle.
One is definitely an animal.
Okay.
Alright, what else do you want? Okay, next aisle. We're passing an aisle.
I don't want anything from this aisle. If there's an aisle there. I
Okay,
don't
there's an
want that one.
aisle here.
I want something from the right hand side.
There's no aisle there. That's not an
Oh.
aisle.
I want.
Passing an aisle now. Oh, whoa.
What? Did I get something?
Okay. Oh, be careful. You need help? You want those?
Yeah, I want these.
Okay. Care Bear?
What? No way. Can I see?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Baby, I had one of these when I was younger.
Yeah, this is good that you got that. Alright, 3 is unnecessary. Just get one.
But
Yeah.
I touch all of them.
And look what you got.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
the same thing.
Oh, that's cute.
Alright, what else do you want? I guess let's keep going.
Oh, I'm getting a sneak peek.
Oh, no, you have to turn her around now. She got a sneak peek already.
What?
Yeah, you gotta spin her.
Wait, I didn't get to see. Spin me again?
Or should we go in a different aisle? Yeah, we're going in a different aisle. Okay, this is the aisle to your left.
Oh,
Do you want to go in it?
yeah.
Okay. Let her touch.
Oh, you're pushing me. What
Oh,
is
sorry.
this? What is this?
What is that?
What is this?
I don't know.
Is it a window? Baby?
Oh.
Baby, where are you at? Baby. Oh.
Ah. Oh.
Oh.
Take off your blindfold.
Baby. Oh my god. 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 Baby.
You hit him.
Wait, did I hit Steve too?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh.
What is that? He's
Did I
gone.
hit
You hit her. You hit me. That was funny.
No, wait, what is it? What? I don't even know what this is. Maybe here, get up.
Do you want that?
Yeah, I do.
Alright, let's go to another aisle.
Yeah. Maybe, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, Steve.
It's all good.
Okay, I want this too.
Okay. Alright, you can just go wherever.
Okay. Are you guys gonna come with me?
Yeah, we'll yeah,
Sure.
we'll come with you.
Yeah, sure.
You could just turn right and keep walking straight all the way.
Okay.
She's gone.
Are you guys gonna come with me? Or?
Yeah, we're coming. We're behind you. Oh, she's getting hurt. Go closer. Go closer.
Whoa. Baby. I don't know where I'm at.
Hee hee.
Steve?
Hee.
Where's everybody else at?
I don't know.
Wait, what? I'm so confused.
Be careful. There's glass. There's glass. There's glass.
Where?
Everywhere around you. Look, I'm blinding you. Whoa, stop. I'm blinding yourself. Take off your blindfold. Look, you almost broke all these glasses. Yeah, and you can break all this too. Gotta be careful.
No way.
This is getting way too dangerous.
Oh, I don't have my blindfold on, right?
No. This is getting too out of hand.
Whoa. Where are we?
Be careful. Be careful.
Why?
Cause
Why?
there's a big wall coming towards your way.
What is this?
No way. We're buying you that
I
because we
don't-
cannot fit that in the car. Baby, take your blindfold off. Do you want that?
Yeah, I want. What is
I
this?
think it's a kayak, right? It's a canoe.
It's
Nah.
a yacht. It's a yacht. Wow.
We bought a yacht. Nah, we can't.
Thanks, God. Oh, what? Is it no?
We can't fit that in the car. Sorry. We can't buy that one. Is that okay? Yeah. Plus $500. Thought. Is it okay if we don't buy this one?
Yeah, it's okay. So it is too big. It's fine. Maybe next store.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay.
Bro, no way I'm going in there. Bro, no way I'm going in there. What's she touching? I think she's touching bras, man.
What is this? Are these knee pads?
No, they're bras.
Ew. Where are we at? What store are we in? I don't want that.
Should we head out, Morgan? Bro, I can't be in here. Can't be in here. Not my type of mojo. Yeah. How did we end up in here? I don't know.
Oh my gosh. Wow, these are actually pretty.
I'll get you these.
Wait. No, it's okay. Those are expensive.
It's fine. You touched them when you were blindfolded, so we gotta get you it. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. Thank you if you want to.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Thanks, Marcus.
He did touch it, so he has to get it.
Yeah, right.
Here you go.
Oh wow. Thanks for buying me all of that. guys.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you. It's awesome. Thanks.
Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And don't forget to go subscribe to her channel. It's down in the description. Let's get it to 2 million. Subscribe. So you got, what'd you get? TV, bunch of stuff. You got
A
TV.
fridge.
Almost got a yacht or a boat, kayak.
Oh.
Got a bunch of stuff. Love you guys. Peace. See ya. Love you.